Oh man, gotta hurry. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Ryan from Farmlands. It's a sunny day. Finally, it's a sunny day. We're gonna fly a drone. Yeah, we're gonna fly a drone. I'm gonna fly a drone. Oh my goodness, it's still cold out. Oh, it's like -10 still, but I don't know how much time on my hands here, but anyways, it's your boy Ryan from Farmlands, and it's really cold outside. -10 or something like that, but the sun is out, so it's gonna make me feel warm for a bit. So let's put this bird in the air. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Plug it in, man, plug it in. Too excited. Yes. Guess so. Not really. Man, I'm like doubting myself that I pressed the record button, but I did. I pressed the record button. Okay, let's go.
Sometimes I make me break out in a cold sweat. So, I'm not so smart when you look at me, but there's more than you can see right here. I got a plan that kick's gonna make me rich and buy an awfully big amount of beer. It can be mine, one day I will succeed, but for the present I am content, and I can learn a lot from this TV. Do you want a soda pop? Tea doesn't take you to the top. Yeah, you see. 24 hours in a given day, and you multiply that by 9 times 10 times 4 means a cash report into my life and keep me feeling fine. Yeah, good things come to those who get up for the chase, and one of these days I get myself in gear, but there's a little problem I now face. Is that I'm not myself, I just can't understand compromise. I've got way out of hand, so for logic. I'm not myself, I just can't understand compromise. I've got way out of hand, just can't see what's failing me. Stagnation, maybe do re mi fa so. Sofalogical, sofalogical. Now that my hopes are sinking, I've done some big risk picking. Maybe this is not my line of work. Let's work, let's play. I need it fast and easy. I don't wanna be too busy. That's the way I've always planned. But now I find that somewhere out along the way, yeah, the great scheme that make you work, it disappeared. Come help me off this sofa. Excuse the mess now, would ya? I've had inspiration. I'll save the human race from all its greed and its disgrace, as long as someone offers me the right amount. Now I need some help, cause I'm not myself, I just can't understand compromise. I've got way out of hand, so for logic. I'm not myself, I just can't understand compromise. I've got way out of hand, just can't see what's failing me. Stagnation, maybe do re mi fa so. Sofalogical, sofalogical. Sofalogical. So far, hey! So far, logical. 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 So far, hey! So far, logical.